varikudzoka momusi. Aiwa. Tony kandakanombomona naye. Amai Maya. Mungati munota kudada kuti ndiko anti vaMaya. Tete tiri chaitira kubuda. Kubuda kuti chero makatisiya. Kutisiya zvedu muchienda kunona kuti kwanyereda izvona ari pabasa. Aya yana tatabva ku after party. Dzekaya kana kandigara mai ndichatopota ndikanoda kutenga ndokufonera kuti ndotenge ri ma pictures up Kenya so mecha ni ma specs up ataganozo ainwa vetka ndadisazo tata kumanya tasikana muri mashini Liveti box erero ndise wakipana ndikutenga ma braids box ndanyatobvura asi pavhu no tunosvika tunopedza rinda mai ndinzaimutere foti kodi yakaitinge pasofa ndikavhura box akuona ndikavaititeta Maya, how's the team fight? 3-4 and we are still up. Auntie.
Let's buy my tickets.
Exactly, let's go and buy our tickets.
My baby too fine, no good. Mangotora Maya wenyu. Kwainini? Kuti ndini ndiri kupusha Maya ndiri kumutambira ari kumuseka. Meloshi. Let me give you my phone.
It's giving. It's okay. It's giving. I'm the main character.
Of course, Maya is the main character.
Right.
Apakati tickets on. Apakati tickets on. Yeah, it's called good.
Okay, 4 stations.
Who are the same?
So we're going to Edinburgh, Peter Kids at Auntie Lee. She's going back to Ireland today.
Aww.
It's really dark here, but
I'm sad of living
Yeah.
with a beautiful family down here in Scotland.
May be longer than platforms at some stations on
So
the
got a
route.
match.
Announcements will be made in the relevant new
Come on, let's go.
approach.
So that someone doesn't need to leave her seat.
In order to leave the
The
train
precious set.
So let me keep track because I don't think our tickets say anything.
Use our free ScotRail Wi-Fi to access live train times and special offers through our app. Please familiarise yourself with the safety poster on display in each of the carriages. If you have bags, put them in one of the dedicated luggage areas or put lighter items in the rack above.
We're in the train now, guys. This is my first time in a train. It's so weird. Like we have to sit. Really? I got a place here my bicycles so that I can have space for Maya, and I just hope our next train will find space as well. There is Maya. And my gifts babega chavari apadokwira ndege. So wish me luck, guys, because I don't know what I'm going to do in the next train. Maya's first train adventure.
Hope Auntie close, thank you.
Yes.
Yes. That was an edit. That's when I look at
The views are nice.
Yeah.
And you can see the Wallace Monument. You know, but I'm going to get packaged.
The next station is Stirling.
Maybe you're going to order to take my tickets because I've never, but it's so expensive. You know, traveling in the UK is more expensive than traveling out of the UK. It's actually cheaper to go in. Yeah, I noticed.
This is mine.
she has no idea.
Can I have my ticket back?
Oh, she took a picture of her with the tickets. Yay! She showed me her tickets. Cheers. Have fun. Let's see, what story is going?
This one.
Manje mas crunch ano kwana ile. Mas crunch ano kwana. Ano kwana ile.
No one else about. Let's see how fast.
That's the beauty of my lamp. She's doing it. The way she's looking at you. So is it like on?
No, went to battery. Can you kasara kuma? Because I think that was a yo-yo one.
It's a spider when not the water sprout. Down came the rain and what's the
Titoka tukawasiwa beautify road. Yeah.
Don't forget to take your belongings with you before you leave the train.
And your babies.
Yeah. Tunokangana na mai.
Belongings and your babies.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform as you leave the train.
Ah, scan.
Bye bye.
Ndikati tunaenda seiko.
Nigga should have maybe take one kuisa tege so sisina kuziva.
Oh.
Next time guys. Melanie. Next time. Kana maku yana maya somewhere.
Hey guys, not to be that person, but what if you
Kana maku yenda mnema kwenda kubi.
Platform.
isn't platform going down?
Yeah. That's a good.
Kwenda kuza sema ku apps.
I mean,
Because our steps are going up so.
anozodzika still.
Alright.
We are on the platform. Oh, where's the footbridge?
Mudenga.
We are on the platform.
Yes.
Saka tukaenda footbridge
And then
tonokuchinja
we go
platform.
And then vanhu kumsoro pavanopinda vanoputanya platform.
Ndopa steps acho avanokwira.
Eh.
I hope we get good seats. I
Maya.
want to vlog this as well, guys.
Imagine, I was made for vlogging.
Lift. Which platform are we going to? Melanie. Is it platform 9?
Platform 3.
3, so we need to use this lift.
Right here. Go in.
3 or 9?
3. Me too, I was thinking 9 as well.
We were on platform 9.
But going to platform 3.
Doors closing.
Nice day, my Maya.
Thank you, Auntie.
How's it going?
It was not okay. 4. 1, 2, 3. Ain't no gonna shake. Say, Auntie, Coco.
Right?
Auntie. Maya akukwira train for the first time.
You've been in a cab, in a train.
Yeah. Cause of a flight, nganang.
Maya's first time on the train.
Yeah.
Maya, yeah. Pure Mike na. Not babo. Msazoende ku inodhura kana.
Battery level 40%. Let's save it. Edinburgh.
Yeah. Kana mpechayisa mtrain tokonochajisa futhi. Udawudoneza.
It's okay, I'll just hold it.
Awunyari. Let's go.
I think we're going to stand
Hi, Maya. I was asking something.
Yeah.
I said, did you say it's Maya's first?
Maya's first time to be on
on
the
the-
train.
Yeah.
To enjoy the train.
Yeah.
Birthday
Maya.
gift from Auntie.
Maya, how do you feel about being on the train for the first time?
It feels amazing.
How do you feel about that?
You
How do you
forgot
feel
the
about
mic.
that?
Here's the mic.
How do you feel about that? Tell me something. That's how she feels.
She feels like,
She feels like,
why?
Yeah, I think that's fine.
Dapat suing.
You know, it's got a pretty view as well.
Because don't you think it's going to get there in my
Yeah.
Train.
Is this ours? No. Conditions in F1. Which one do we press? Oh my goodness me.
The far end. No?
We need to unless you put her on I'm sorry. It's fine.
The water. The water.
But they don't pay some for it.
Nene toilet and shadow precious. Nene toilet.
This is because I want to eat.
Very much money. So, story time. Guys, so what happened was train yataburuka isusu. Yataba nayo yanga ine space yema prema nema bicycles for my cyclists. So isusu patapina the other one because it's a connecting one. You know, tapina skatafunga the section ya tiri ndo ishi isina, so we didn't know if we are supposed to leave tinotsvaga kuti imwe compartment inechi ine icho chocho chinokwanisa kumira prema. As you can see how we are sitting izvezvi. So isusu vatazongoti ngatigarei tobva taita sei tobva tadissembla prema yedu vataisa pasa apa now tabva tazoita plan and the train was already moving, guys. Please, I hope my brother doesn't see this video because we'll be in trouble. So tatakazotakura ichi manje and edit them. Tatazotakura ichi manje tabva tachisa apa. And then we later asked vanoshanda muno mukuti, guys, kwasei muno musina chi area, chi free area for this maprema nemabike nema what not what. Zvikanzi mamwe anenge ainawo mamwe matrain mamwe hana. But shouldn't be a problem. Makaona pane extra space munongopaka ipapo mungoisa mabrakes enyu, but kana mashaya, the way you're sitting right now is very perfect. I think they haven't seen it before, but they liked it when they saw it. Yeah, but Maya is happy. Are you happy, Maya? Get it one. For baby feed. Amuna. Muneshi. Maya. Oh. I hope we don't spoil these clothes. Because we forgot the baby food. The baby. Oh. Ah. Why is she frowning? She's frowning. Why are you frowning? Oh. You should be able to eat and feed your baby at the same time, like what I'm doing now.
That's the problem.
What does it look like? I think I should just hold it, no? I will just hold it, please. Stop talking. Acid sour. What finya mire? Mana muki kwa kwa mama. Da.
Blue black. Yeah. Nusta aku kena ini. Ya. Kurang bukan. Yang betul bagus. Yeah. Yeah. Tell them.
Look. It's walking. Okay.
Please find the gap between the train and the platform.
Kau fara. We're in Edinburgh now at the train station. Guys, having a baby is a struggle because everything, like there are lifts, but it's just one and you have to wait like for a long time to get in the lift, and you can't use the stairs. See the lift, there was a queue there, and now the stairs to go outside the platforms, but we can't use them because of Maya.
I just feel bad if I drop it. So I feel if there's room out.
Melanie Pinda is just leave it under the stairs.
You sure? Go on.
Sorry. Akadako mwana wangu. So me and Livette tazongo use our stairs and then let Mel and Maya to use the lift. And there they are. Hello.
Maya kana kugochimba.
Akanombo so chishurugitiga.
So I was saying, the way to oh my. You see all those stairs? Thank you.
Oh, these stairs.
Well, I was born here, but I lived elsewhere.
We are vlogging. I hope you don't mind.
Eh?
I don't know. You don't mind. You don't mind.
Oh,
we are
you're
vlogging.
vlogging? I don't mind. I'm on TikTok.
So what did you say about?
Yeah, are you doing TikTok?
Yeah. What did you say about Maya?
Maya is beautiful.
Thank you.
If you look me up, my name on TikTok is the Mass One.
The mass one.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll look you up.
Yeah.
Ours is what?
The charity.
I mean, now I'm here for like vacation holiday, but it's like another sense of gender things within one. Gender clinic tomorrow. But the thing is, I enjoy Edinburgh. I miss it.
It's beautiful, really good.
It's amazing.
Yeah? It's like, what is going on?
Yeah, like, who's these people? I love that. It's like, do you control the,
Yeah.
like, up and down?
Yeah.
Oh, I had something similar. You have to use your finger to do it with the putting up and down, but I'm looking for on the TikTok shop that you can do for buttons, but I love that.
Did you buy yours on TikTok shop?
No.
No.
So how many followers do you have on TikTok?
Actually,
I would look at it.
Taga mama.
honestly, huge respect for everyone, regardless of their background.
Yeah.
But actually, well, my phone's better that way.
Guys, tata press kwani wait tikakumbira toilet in hotel. This is nice though.
The toilet.
No, the hotel. Even the toilets, they're nice.
Thank you very much, guys. Cheers.
Just need that last video from you. That's not completely fine.
Thank you so much. Cheers. Sang the right part of the song then. Say if you dare come a little closer.
Ambulance.
He's facing the sun.
The court of
The court of judiciary. And I don't want. And
I can vouch for their food. I can't vouch for their prices. If you want to take the prices, you can.
Diba tukanyoro? Lee. Kuno
My restaurant is.
The treated cell. Planet Cambotenga na Bama Not, no, I think 9.
9.
My wings.
Oh, maybe it was less than that.
Street consisting of 6 coaches. Platform 12 for the 90.
It's all done, so you better make. Bye. You too. Thank you so much for hosting me. Oh, yeah, everything was like so beautiful. It was so nice. Made my experience way better. And Mel, thank you so much for being the whole way, my tour guide, my host, my inviter.
It's waiting for her turn.
Okay. Bye, Maya. Bye. Thank you for my gift. Thank you for everything. Say bye, Auntie. Bye, sweetie.
Platform 1 to 7 and 11 to 20 is down this way.
Which side? Please keep my nose.
Yeah. Na hii miko na prema ndo kufura siku. Mashifts anongochinja. Inandishidi. It's just me and Maya. Takutokera kumba. Yeah. Yes. We just got off our train and we're going to get Daddy by the car park. He'll be waiting for us. Yes, Maya. Yeah. I'm so tired. I'm so tired, guys. Maya, where is Daddy?